Hello YouTube. Today on HomeBase Dad, we are making water bombs out of sponges. They're a great alternative to water balloons and you don't have to go around and pick up the mess later.
We can do this, totally. We can make 2 or 3 or 4 of these.
Well, today we're gonna make two of the large ones, okay? We're gonna cut it in half first. And then we take half of it and we cut it in half again. Right?
Yep, you're right. You're totally right.
They are wet.
Because they flow in the sea only. They only flow in the sea. Because sponges can't
It's
float.
easier to make when they are a little bit damp.
No, bent.
Yep.
It's the same word for damp.
All right, we got them all cut out. We got all our sponges cut out. Each sponge makes 4 little sections, right?
Ooh, we can make.
All right, let's start assembling. We're gonna use 2 yellows and a pink, right?
Yeah.
2 yellows and a pink.
Pink.
That'll make 1 sponge.
And 2 yellows.
2 yellows and a pink.
I did the last one.
Good job.
And
High
then we
five.
use this fishing string.
Yep.
Fishing line.
Let's make 1 at a time, okay? Let's see.
Then
Where's
you
it?
use that.
We gotta find the end of the fishing line. There it is. Okay, it's gonna take a little bit.
I will use these scissors for you.
Okay, you be super duper careful because those are super duper sharp scissors.
Right here?
Right there. Good job.
Use
Okay,
these
set them down.
before we do
Those
the
are
next
Mommy's
one.
special scissors.
The sensitive for you. Not for
We put the string underneath it.
And then above it, and then tie it like a crisscross applesauce.
We tie a knot and we try to squeeze it as tight as we can. Then we roll it around,
Then we cut the
twist the string around, twist it around again, and do this multiple times
until the fishing string
So-
is done.
that it will be firmly on there. Then we take it
Then we
and we
make
tie a
bundles.
knot.
And then we
Take
tie
it.
again.
Tie a knot.
If you break them, you can probably put them back together. If the string is broken, you can. Put
Personally,
the string
I was tired of having to pick up water balloons all over the yard, and my dogs like to chew them up, so I don't want my dogs to
chew up these
eat any
wires.
balloons and get sick, so this is our alternative. And there we go. We got
And
2 large
Storm
ones.
can still
Here.
tear up these.
Yep, they can tear these up, but we just keep them picked up and they won't tear them up, right? There we go, everybody.
There we go.
There.
Oh, shoot.
No, stop. Stop. Oh, you take it, buddy. Oh.
If you liked our video today, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell. Come see what we're doing next Saturday.
And notification, and you can see all our videos when you hit the bell.
Yeah.
Hi I hope you have a good day and a good